Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about that today's problem of the day, that's name is convert an array to reduced form. Okay, so let us discuss about that problem statement. You have given an array with n distinct element, means of that you have n unique element into this given array. Okay, so you have to be simply convert the given array to a reduced form, to a reduced form where all elements are in range from 0 to n minus 1. The order of element is 0 is placed in place of smallest element, 1 is placed for second smallest element, and n minus 1 is placed for the largest element. Okay, so I hope you all understood that problem statement. uh, so let us discuss about that problem example. So here are the example. So in this example, so there are three element and three unique element in this given array. Three unique element present in this given array, 10, 40, 20. Okay, so according to this given array, when you will sort it, so you will definitely get that 10 and then 20, it would be a second smallest element, and 40 is that a largest element in this given array. When you will indexing this array, so 10 will be comes first, so their index will be 0. So 20 will be a second smallest element, so it will be a 1, and 40 is the largest element, so their index will be a 2. Okay, so here are the second element. So here are the second example with their array's length is 5, means of that there are 5 uh, unique element in this given array. 5 unique element in this given array. When you will sort it, so your array will be like this. 5 will becomes first, then 10 will become second, and 20 will be present at second index, 30 will be present at third index, and 40 will be present at last index, means of that fourth index. Okay, when you will indexing like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you will see that, so 0 is the index where 10 will be present, where 10 would be a present, so 0 marks up here, so 0 will be present at uh, so at index 0, so 10 will be present, 10 should be present. Okay, at index second, so 40, so for element 40 would be present, so at index set, at index second, so 40 will be a present. Okay, so at index first, so 20 will be a present. So here are the example of this. So output of this form is 0 to 1. Okay, 0, then 2, then 1. Okay, so now here, so at index 0, so 5 will be a present, 5 will be present at index 0, so 0 will be comes first. At index 1, 10 will be present, so at index 1, 10 will be present at here. Okay, at index second, 20 will be present, so index, so 20 will be present at index second, so 20 will be, so mark up the 20 with the second with the index number second. Okay, so at index 3, 30 will be present, at index 3, 30 will be present, so mark up the index 3 where the 30 will be present. Okay, at index 4, mark up that 40 will be present, so at index 4, that mark up the element 40 will be present at here. I hope you all understood that problem example. Let us discuss about that logic, how you can solve it. So you will simply make this array, you will simply make a map name called MP, okay. And this is like MP, so where array of element like ARR, and here are the index when before the sorting, before the sorting just like before the sorting, you can simply check that 10 is present at index 0. Before the sorting, 10 present at index 1. Before the sorting, 10 no, 20 is present at index 2. Right now here, before the sorting, 5 is present at 0. 10 is present at index 1. 40 is present at index 2. And 30 is present index 3, and 20 is present at index 4. So you will simply make a map and add this value, like a 10 is present at 0, 40 is present at index 1, and 20 is present at index 2. But but when you will add into the map, into the map, so your map will be look like in this form, like a sorted form, where array and index are here, array and index, like here, okay. So 10 comes first into the sorted array, so their marking is like index 0. Then second element will be a 20. This is a sorted, so it will be sorting like a 20 is present at index at, and will their index number is 2, okay. In this map MP, like a sorted time, when you will store, so your map would be look like this, and 40 will be present at index number 1. So in this form your map will be stored. So I hope you all are understood that map approach, okay. So what you will do, you will simply traverse the map, by the help of for each loop, into this C++, like here are the iterator. When you will iterate the map, okay. So what you will do, you will simply traverse like some like variable like k, and you will simply store the second element of this map, okay. And what you will do, at that second element, at this position of the second element, you will store that ith value, and firstly initialize the I will be that 0, okay. So what is happening here, I'm explaining you clearly, okay. Like this, when you will iterate this map, so 10 is present at first, 10 is present at first position, so their second value, is 0, is 0. I hope you all understood very well. Their second value is 0, okay. So you will store this value 0 into this k. The kth value at this time is 0, okay. So array of 0 will be simply store this 0, because of that ith value right now here is 0, okay. So you will simply increment that ith value is I plus plus. So I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. And when you will again iterate the map, like a second value is 20. Second value is 20 into this map. And their second value is 2. Their second value is 2. And when you will traverse that array of 2, array where the index is 2, okay, so their value will be a 1, okay, their value will be a 1, okay. Now increment the ith value by 1. So right now ith value is ith value is 3. I value of I is 3, okay. Again when you will traverse the map, again when you will traverse the map, the 40 is present at index 1. So the second value is 1. The second value is 1. So what would be here? What would be here? So array of 1, array of 1 value will be will be stored at 2. So when you will merge that, like this looks like this, like a form, zeroth value will be a 0 at array of first index. Array of first index will be like a 2 initialized by the 2, and array of second index initialized by the 1, okay. I hope you will understand that clearly manner. So let us discuss about that second example. Here are the second example, like 5, 10. So here are the map of this map. This is the map, okay. So this is that array, and this is index. I hope you all are understood very well. So 5 is present at 0 before the sorting. So 5 is present at 0. 10th is present at 1. So 10 is present at, so 10 will be marking with that 1, okay. 40 is marking with the by the help of 2. So 40 would be like a 2, okay. 30 like a 30 into the map will be put down there 3, and 20 will be a 20 will be at index 4. But again I am telling you, into the map that it will be sorting by the help of uh, first value, by the help of this first key. So it will be automatically sort, and your map will be like in this form, okay. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. So here are the 5, here are the 10, here are 20, here are 30, here are 40. So this is the property of the map. So that's will 40th index is 2, so it will be automatically will be at 2. 30 will be like 3, so 30 will be put down the 3. 20 is put down by the 4, by the help of 4, so 40th index is 4. 10th index is 1. 5 index is 0, okay. So ARR, this is like an array, this is like a index. I hope you all are understood very well. So now your second approach is that what you will do. You will simply array of array of 0. You will be simply initialized by the help of counter like I, and you will simply add by the help of ith value, and is firstly you will initialize like I by the value of 0. So your array of 0th position add by the help of I, so array of 0th position is 0. Okay, so array of 0 is 0, and increment the count by the 1. Increment the count by the 1. I hope you all understood very well. So now again the traverse the map. Thus second uh, the second index of this value is 1. So array of 1 will be 1 by the help of increment by the counter of I. Again I will be increment by 2. I will be increment by 2. So now the second value, now the third value is 20 and their index is 4. So array of fourth value is array of 4, array of index 4 is updated by 2, and again the ith value will be increment. Value of I is 3. Okay, now again the next iterating of the map is that like a 30, and 30 is of second value is 3. 30 of second value is 3. So array of 3 is 3. Okay, again the value of I will be increased like a 4. So array of 40th of second value is 2. So array of 2 by the initialized by the I, so it will be a 4. It will be a 4. So now your answer would be like in this form. In this form, like array of 0 value by the help of initialized by the 0. Array of 1 initialized by the 1. Okay, array of 2 initialized by the 4. Array of 3 initialized by the 3. Okay, and array of 4 initialized by the 2. I hope you all are understood this problem approach very well. If you have any doubt, so please comment on my channel. And this is logic, and here is the solution of a coding implementation. So you will simply create a map, okay, and initialize by the map by the help of ith value, where when you will at this time the array is the given array is unsorted manner. Okay, so you will simply store their index into this map. Okay, and you will again create a ith value index. So by the help of initialize like a final mapping value, final output what you will store. So here are the second index, you will store like t into this variable t. Okay, now initialize by the array of t by the ith value, and again each and every time your I will be your I will be increment. Okay, so here is the solution, and it will be working fine. You can check it like this. Your our output value is equal to that expected value. Okay, so right now the, here is the solution of Java. just like simple tree map. By the help of tree map, you will simply get that at sorted manner, like in this form. The map, your map should be in this form. Like 5 should be first, comes first, 10 should be comes next, second, 20 should be comes third, 30 should be comes after that 20, and 40 should be at last. So this is the help of by the help of tree map into this Java. Okay, now and then uh, simply initialize that their index into this form. Okay, and each and every time you will increment the index and update by the array by the help of index. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. This solution is also being compiled and you can check it. Okay, yes, so our output is equal to that expected output. I hope you all understood very well. If you have any doubt, so please comment on my channel. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.